Okay, I'm Michael Rooney and I play the harp, and Jim McCormack. So we're going to play a couple of tunes. First set is a set of jigs, and it's the battering ram into the Legacy, and the second set will be the Old Maids of Galway into the Rookery.
June, you're from Sligo, from a historical, musically historical or historically musical place, but Michael, you're from an area you wouldn't associate with music generally.
Really?
Yeah, Scottstown football.
The home of music.
Yeah.
No, there wouldn't have been a pile of music there, but not for harp music. But there used to be an awful lot of music there in the 1900s, up until I suppose the 1950s and 60s. But no, the harp is certainly not associated with Monaghan. It's more regionalised, more associated with musicians rather than an actual region.
Right.
So I learned about music from Janet Harbison, who came to Monaghan, and then subsequently I had to go to Belfast for lessons. So.
All right, and she's now in Castleconnell in Limerick.
Yeah.
And are you playing much concertina?
I'm playing mostly. I play an awful lot of concertina in sessions, but when I'm up on the stage, I take this out.
Lovely. Okay, lads, appreciate that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.